Hello everybody, and my name is Noah, and today I'm gonna show you how to make my own beef stew. So you need your fresh onions, and then our fresh turmeric, and then fresh garlic, then the tomatoes, and then crush your ginger, and then also your garlic. We're gonna show you how to crush all of these in a minute, and also we are going to cut our tomatoes also. And then grab yourself some beef. And then to cook the stuff in, you obviously need a pan and some cooking oil, and for some taste, maybe just gather some salt for the beef. And I have this secret recipe that I haven't told my parents yet, and also you guys. And every time I put that in there, the secret recipe, they love my cooking. So yeah, we're gonna put that into the beef today. But before you touch any food, you have to wash your hands. Make sure of that. When you're done washing your hands, grab the meat and put it on any chop board and make sure to cut it up. But before cutting it up, maybe if you're a kid, ask your parents to cut it up before you chop your fingers off. And once you cut it into bite-sized pieces, in the meat, you are going to cut your onions, and also you are going to crush the turmeric, and then also the ginger. And we're gonna show you how to crush your garlic. You guys probably have different ways how to do it. It's okay to do it your own way. Just remember to peel off the skin of the garlic. So how we do it, just put it under the knife, like that, and then we're gonna crush it like that. So it's easier to peel off the skin. That's how you do garlic. Okay, and after when you cut up your garlic into little pieces, you're gonna take this fresh turmeric and slice it into 3 pieces to your food. And then you're gonna cut your onions. And also, while you're peeling it, your eyes get really watery, and it's very fun, right? And now my brother's gonna be helping me to cut the tomatoes because my eyes were so watery, and I don't know if I could do it anymore. But he's gonna cut the tomatoes.
I can do it.
All the other seasonings. But yeah, see, my eyes are watering so bad. Very good. And then after the oil cooks a little bit, then add your fresh turmeric, onions, and garlic. And just spread that all around. And then we're gonna add our cooking oil. Yep. So make sure to spread it all around the pan. And that's enough. And then just add the fresh onions, garlic. You have the vegetables. After your stuff starts to sizzle, add your beef. And then just stir it up. And then you mix it a little bit. And then after that, when you're done mixing, just put a plate over it. Just like that. And then after like 10 to 15 minutes, when your soup is getting thicker, that means you should add these tomatoes that we got from our garden, and then cook the beef for about like 10 minutes. And then just keep checking it so you don't lose the water for the soup. And then just put it on medium hotness. And then just just keep checking it so you don't lose the water and oil, because that's for the soup. Okay, after 10 to 15 minutes, as the soup is getting thicker, you should add your potatoes that we also grew from our garden. We're gonna add them, and then also we're gonna put seasoning also, and then we're gonna add the tomatoes to the soup and beef. And then after like 5 to 10 minutes, we're gonna take the lid off. And then once the soup is getting thicker, you're gonna add your water. And now we have our ugali and our meat, and now we're ready to have dinner. And please subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much.